Hey, it's Vince with Slap Chop. You're going to be in a great mood all day because you're going to be slapping your troubles away with the Slap Chop. Now look, here's a potato. One slap, you got big chunks for stews. Two slaps, home fries in a second. And look at this. When you add a mushroom, the more you do it, the finer it gets. You don't have to switch any grades. Now, you love salad, you hate making it. You know you hate making salads. That's why you don't have any salad in your diet. Watch this. One slap. Salad. I love pizza too, but once in a while, get the veggies in. At least throw it on top of the pizza. You're going to change your eating habits. Soup, coleslaw stuff, you want 5 seconds, 4 or 5 seconds, it's done. This tuna, looks boring. Stop having a boring tuna. Stop having a boring life. Add this tuna, put it here like this. Now you're going to have a nice tuna salad. Look at this. You're going to have an exciting life now. Look, here's a hard-boiled egg. One chop, you add the pickle, you add the green onion. And what you can do, you can mix things together. You add the ham, and you're going to love this. You don't have time to make breakfast. Breakfast to go. You're going to love my nuts. Watch this. Almonds, walnuts. Comes with a cover, so you can do everything in the cover. All right? Or you can do it on the board, whatever you'd like. It's so easy. One finger. If I can do it with one finger, you guys can do it with your whole hand. Kids can do it. You know what they charge at the ice cream stores? $1 for toppings at the ice cream stores. Add a couple cookies if you want. So you can make it for 10 cents. Stop throwing your money away. You know, not only nuts. What about fruit? Put a mango. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful on your ice cream? The reason you're going to slap away every day is because it's so easy to clean. 1, 2, and pops open like that, like a butterfly to clean. Now, these other ones that you've seen in the stores, bacteria gets in the food. All the stores have this. You can't clean it. You can't open this up. It's worthless. Forget about it. Now, take the Slap Chop, put it back together, and you get the garlic. All right, here's the garlic with the skin. There you go. These skins the garlic. You're going to eat more garlic. The onions with the skin. All right, this is making you cry. You're making me cry. All right, life's hard enough as it is. You don't want to cry anymore. Put the Slap Chop right there. The skin's at the bottom. Hey, look, so you want a little bit of onions. You don't want to drag out the food processor. The skin comes right off. You see that? All right, now put a tomato in there. Add your cilantro, your hot peppers right there. You hit it like this. Guys, we're going to make America skinny again.